I did it. I actually did it. I can't believe I did it, but I did it. Woo. Man. So I went ahead and actually did it. I actually freaking did it, man. I went and bought the Canon EOS R. But it actually came with a cost. I sold the A7R II. They just gave me too much money for it, so I had to actually I had to actually sell it. I don't think I would ever get that price from anywhere else. And it's a local camera store too, so. Okay, so here it is, the Canon EOS R. Now, the first time I actually put this in my hand, it honestly just felt right. Like, the grip is amazing. Like, I've shot Sony, like, since I've had cameras. Like, Sony was the actual first camera I ever purchased that was like full frame or any type of interchangeable camera lens type of setup. First time, and I've been with Sony for about 5 years. So this is definitely new for me, shooting on the Canon EOS R. I don't even know if I'm in frame right now, but yeah. I ended up picking up the 16 to 35 f4. I actually wanted the 16 to 35 2.8, but it wasn't stabilized. It was like $1,800, and I couldn't justify paying $1,800 for a lens that wasn't stabilized, knowing that there's no in-body stabilization inside this here. So I'm assuming that's more for like photography and stuff like that, not so much for video, or if you're gonna be on a gimbal, of course. But yeah, I'm excited. I might shoot some of this video on the EOS R. I'm really excited to have this freaking flip out screen. Like, I can't. I don't know why I've gone this long without having a flip out screen. I've dealt with it for Sony because of the image quality, but I don't know, man. I'm just excited. I'm really, really excited to have the Canon EOS R. And I didn't want to sell my Sony A7R II, but in all reality, it just sat in my bag. I didn't really use it for the capabilities that it was actually meant for. Like, I don't shoot photography, and it's like a 42 megapixel monster that just sits in my bag. Well, and again, they just gave me such a killer deal. Like, they literally gave me exactly what I wanted for the camera to actually justify buying this camera and the lens. So I actually bought the body only. I didn't buy the little kit lens and things like that. So, hey, what's going on? Okay, so that guy just randomly came up and started talking about cameras and things like that. So, guys, if you are scared to actually vlog in 2019, you're crazy. There is nothing to be afraid of anymore. Like, everyone is super supportive. Everyone is like intrigued of what you're doing, and they want to talk to you. Like, it's the cool thing to do now. Vlogging is the cool thing to do. So just stop being afraid to do it. But anyways, I think I'm going to mount the Rode Video Mic Pro on top of this thing and try to set my audio levels. They actually have like a farmer's market down at the square here, the Courtyard Square. I think I'm going to go down there and try to shoot on the Canon EOS R. I got to figure out how the hell to say this name. I'm going to go down to the square here and shoot some on the EOS R. Okay, so this is like super weird. This is a 16. This is at 16 millimeters. Now I'm typically vlogging at 24 like this. I hated vlogging with the lens this close, but this to me is so much better vlogging like at 16 millimeters. If I had my choice, I would probably pick up a 10 to 18, but they didn't have it. So 16 to 35, which is probably better anyway. But this is super weird, seeing that I can see myself, I can compose myself, I can see my audio levels. like, this is totally different. Like, I'm like giddy because like I haven't realized what I've been missing with a flip out screen since just because I've been shooting Sony so long. I didn't realize how important the actual flip out screen is. I want to put my lavalier set on here, but I have to fix the audio levels. Canon's totally different than Sony, so I gotta play around with that before I even put the Sennheiser little lavalier I have on there. But I'm about to go downtown. Well, not really. Yeah, it's downtown basically. The Court Square or something like that. So they have something going on. I hope my audio doesn't clip. So, all right. Whoa, man, this is crazy. Like, I have everything on auto right now, so don't talk junk. Anytime you're using a new camera, I put it on auto, especially when I'm outside and I'm not familiar with everything. Oh, my eyes are starting to hurt. My allergies are starting to act up because I haven't been taking my allergy medicine. So, okay, I'm gonna stop talking and ride. I just can't get over it. Like, I love the fact that I can see myself in this damn camera, man. If you're using Sony, man, this is a good reason to switch if they don't come out with an actual flip out screen or flip up screen on their new cameras. This is a good reason to switch. The A6400 just wasn't a difference for me. Like, I wanted something with a little bit better 1080p, and I don't know, I'm just happy with the fact that I got this camera right here. So, okay, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm about to ride. Okay, so this was fun, but it's time to go home. All you men out there know when you're out and about, your wife sends you on errands if you're outside. So yeah, I gotta go get coffee for her now.